Guys, do you have Honda Activa, Suzuki Access or any such type of scooter and you are facing a big problem with the cold start in the morning? And because your bike is not starting properly in the morning, you are late for work, you are late to go in the market and you always miss train because you are late. And that's all because your bike took a long time to start in the morning. Then keep watching this video because I'm going to tell you why that happens in the first place and how to fix it or make it less. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So guys, there are three reasons why this can happen. And the first reason is guys, is the battery. The cold weather is the battery killer guys. And it is the cold weather that reduces your battery efficiency guys. And now because your battery is not operating on its full potential, it doesn't have the full power to rotate the starter motor which starts the bike or cranks the engine. And if your battery is slightly old and if you are not starting your bike every day, like in a week maybe you are starting your bike only one time and you only go in the market and come back, then very likely guys that you are going to face this problem of cold starts. Now how to fix this problem? First of all guys, check your battery voltage with a multimeter. Now how to do this, I've already made a video on that, don't worry about it. I will put a link of that video in the I button above. You can go there and watch that video later on. So when your bike is off, then your battery should show 12.5 volts on the multimeter. And when you are cranking your bike with a self start, your battery voltage should not drop below 9 volts guys. If it drops below 9 volts, it means that your battery is become weak or it needs charging. If your battery is weak, then take it to the battery shop and recharge it. Or if you feel that your battery is worn out, then it is always better to replace it. But if you feel that your battery is in good condition, the next thing that you can do is guys, you will have to keep your battery warm. Now how you will keep it warm? You can take your entire bike indoors and park it indoors, or you can put a bulb very close to where the battery is, like how we put on the carom board. We put a focus light on top of the carom board to warm up the board. The same way you can put a light like that where your battery is guys, so that it stays warm whole night. So one more thing I would like to add here guys, every time when you start your bike in the morning, see that you kick start it if you don't have any problem with kick starting. Because when you kick start, everything rotates at the right speed because now you are doing it manually and it doesn't need battery power to rotate everything. That is the reason why your bike starts properly when you kick start it. But if you compare it with self start, then if your battery is weak, then it will not give sufficient power for the starter motor to rotate fast enough, and that is the reason why when you self start, the bike doesn't start, but when you kick start, your bike starts. I hope you guys now understood the reason why your bike starts when you kick start it. So those were the battery problems guys. Let's move on to the second issue. And the second issue is guys, is the fuel issue. Yes guys, it is always harder to burn cold fuel. In low temperature, the fuel doesn't vaporize properly guys, leading to hard starts. As you guys know, anything cold takes time to catch fire. And in the cold weather, your fuel is nice and cold sitting in your petrol tank. And if that fuel is sitting in your petrol tank for a while now, then remember that old fuel evaporates and loses its combustibility. So how to fix this issue now? To fix this issue, see that you put fresh fuel inside your tank. If you have old petrol inside your petrol tank, then finish all that fuel up by riding the bike till it gets totally dry and then top it up with fresh fuel. And fresh fuel obviously ignites much faster. The second thing that you can do is you can pull the choke when you are doing a cold start. Now what happens when you pull the choke? When you pull the choke, more petrol goes inside of the carburetor and reaches your engine combustion chamber. Now since the engine has more fuel, the combustion happens much faster because the engine is cold. Now one thing to note here guys, if you are using a choke, see that you use it only for 1 or 2 minutes till the engine heats up. Once the engine heats up, see that you put the choke back, because if you keep the choke pulled for too long, then first of all you will get less mileage, and second is guys, you will have a poor ride quality because now there is too much fuel inside of your combustion chamber. And because there is too much fuel inside of your combustion chamber, even carbon can build up on your spark plug. So don't keep your choke pulled for too long. Once the bike starts, it warms up a little bit for 1 or 2 minutes, then you can put it back and your bike will start to run smoothly. So those were the fuel issues guys. Now let's move on to the third issue, and the third issue is the spark plug issue. Yes guys, again the cold weather can cause the spark plug to be ineffective, which will make the ignition weak and inconsistent. Now you guys know what is a spark plug. Spark plug is the plug which creates that spark to ignite the fuel inside of your engine combustion chamber. Now if that spark is not created, there is no fire inside of your combustion chamber. And like this your bike will not start. So if you have a new battery and if you have fresh fuel inside of your petrol tank, then very likely your spark plug is the problem. Now how to fix this? First of all, you will have to take out that spark plug from your bike. Once you take it out, just check it guys. Check if there is any carbon buildup on it. Check if the gap of the spark plug is proper, and if you feel that your spark plug is too dirty, then clean it and put it back. Then again after 2 days, see that you take it out again and check for carbon buildup. If there is carbon buildup so quickly, then it is very likely that more fuel is reaching your combustion chamber. So if more fuel is reaching your combustion chamber, then either there is a problem with your fuel cock, or you are riding your scooter by pulling the choke all the time. That is how more fuel can reach the combustion chamber, and that is the reason why there is too much carbon buildup on your spark plug. Now as you guys can see how everything is related. If you do one thing wrong, other thing is affected. So that is the reason why you should know and you should have the knowledge of all these things in the first place. So if you have not replaced your spark plug for a long time, then it is better to replace it right away and start with a new spark plug and check if it gets rid of the problem. Or if you don't want to replace the spark plug, then see that you clean that spark plug and see if the gap of the spark plug is proper. So guys, if you are facing cold start problems, then first of all, keep your battery charged and keep it warm. Secondly, keep fresh fuel inside of your fuel tank. And the third is check your spark plug. Because addressing these cold start problems will not only save your time in the morning, but it will also keep your scooter in good condition for a long time. So if any of you guys have faced cold start problems and if you guys have fixed it, then share your tips and tricks in the comments below guys, so that others also can benefit from it. So guys, I'm hoping that you found this video useful and you have learnt a lot in this video. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.